welcome back. Now I'm Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. What I'm getting ready to show you how to make in this lesson is something that is very functional, practical, aesthetically pleasing, and is especially practical for a small space. Let's get started. I have a pattern here, and this is the pattern that I will be cutting out from the fabric. Now I have two pieces of fabric here. I have the decorative piece of very floral fabric, and then I have the muslin, which is what will be used as the lining. I have folded both pieces of fabric in two. So I'll go ahead and put a few pins in just so the pattern doesn't shift while I am cutting. This that I'm making can be made to any size you desire. Now I have a square piece of cardboard here. What I'm going to do is put the cardboard in the corner here, and then I'm going to draw around here, cut this section out, and I'll do the same over here. Now I'm going to open this up. I'm going to hold on to a piece of the decorative fabric and a piece of the lining. Just open it up like so. I'm going to put some pins. I'm going to go ahead and stitch right around. So I have left a small opening on the side here. So through this little opening, I'm going to flip the whole thing. Now I am going to press this out. Now here's my opening. I'm just going to fold it in and press. Now I am going to fold over just like so, line up the sides, and then I'm going to stitch along here and stitch along here. My next step is to open the bottom here, just like so, and stitch across, and I'll do the same for the other side. There we are. Now we can turn it inside out. And the inside is pretty neat because we already stitched the two pieces of fabric together and flipped it, so there are no raw edges inside. Now I'm just going to overlap these two tabs and stitch across to finish off. Well, I guess by now you have realized that it's actually a hanging bag. Now I'm in my laundry room. You could use a bag like this in your laundry room. You could use it in your closet, in your bathroom, in your entrance where you have hooks. You could hang it there. You can put gloves, whatever you want to put inside of it. Moreover, you can take it on the road. It's just a cute little bag. Let me know what you think in the comment sections, friends. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. What I'm about to show you how to make is something that is very functional, can be very practical, especially in a small space. And my husband is popping through the door at the most inopportune time.